Molly and Me by the Sea, and other stories. Molly and Me by the Sea. In May, my mom, Dad, Molly, and I went to the seaside. Dad said it was peak season for crabbing. Molly and I said, "What's crabbing?" "You'll see," said Mom. "It's really fun." Dad got some smelly eel meat at the fish shop. "Yuck," Molly said. "We can't eat that. It's for babes," Dad said. "The crabs think it's a treat." Mom got some string and 2 fishing nets. We went down a trail to a rocky beach by the sea. The water was not deep. We stepped from rock to rock, looked down at snails and tiny fish in the water. "I can't see the crabs," said Molly. "The crabs like to hide in the seaweed by the rocks," Dad said. Dad gave each of us a string. It had eel meat and a small stone on the end. I dropped the bait in the water with a plop. Then I waited a bit with the string in my hand. "Now tug it just a bit," said Mom. "I can feel a crab tugging back," I screamed. "Not too fast. Keep it moving." At last, I lifted the crab out of the water. Mom got it in a net. Dad said it was big, a beast of a crab. We put it in a bucket with water. Molly stuck her hand in. The crab reached and tried to grab her. Molly named it Grabby Crabby. By the end of the day, we had a lot of crabs in the bucket, but they did not look as big as Grabby. Dad said, "Do you want to keep them? They'll make a fine meal." "No," Molly said. "Please, can we let them go?" I asked. "Yes, we will release them," said Mom. Molly and I tipped the bucket. The crabs ran sideways to the water. Grabby seemed to be waving to us as he ran to the sea. The Bad Goat. Fred loaded the truck with feed and a bucket of water. He fed some oats to the foal. The goat bleated at him. "Ma, ma," the goat was hungry. Fred cleaned the horse with soap. He used his hose and a big brush to get the foam off its coat. "Ma," the goat bleated. "Ma," the goat smelled the oats. The goat jumped up on the truck. It wanted yummy oats. It ripped into the bag of feed. "No, no," Fred groaned. "Get off, you bad goat." The goat butted the water bucket. "Oh no," said Fred. "Now I'm soaked from my coat down to my socks." "Ma," said the goat. "Ma, ma." What a mess. Why did she use up all of her glue to mend her green glue? Yes, it's true. What a mess. A gummy, gluey mess. What did Ben paint on his pad that was blue? It has 2 wheels. Now that's a fine clue. What a mess. A blue bunny mess. Did this puppy love to eat peach pie? Well, he tried to make one, and that's no lie. What a mess. A sweet, sticky mess. Did Tess go out with her shoes untied? "Do tie your shoes," her pal Tom cried. "We don't want Tess to get in a mess." "Stop that train!" Lucy and Tess went on a long train trip to the east. It was late. "I have some tea and cheese. Will you have some?" asked Tess. "Oh, thank you. Please have some of my dried beef and toast," said Lucy. "And I have a pitch for you and one for me," said Tess. "We'll try to feast on the way. The train is stopping," said Lucy. Why is the train stopping here? Asked Tess. She tried to peek. It is pitch black. I cannot see. But I can see. I can shine my lamp, said Lucy. She leaned out and lit up the track. Oh, I see something on the track. It's a goat. There's a goat on the track and it will not get off. Lucy sat back down. But why is there a goat on the track? She looked at Tess. Tess was using her mobile. Hello, Golden Girl. Did you leave the gate open? I think you should need to check the train track. It was not long until the goat was safe inside its gate. The train went on its way. What made you think the goat belonged to Golden Girl? Asked Lucy. Tess just smiled.